Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys, my name is Denokila. My last name is 2039.
My name is Nazwana Sabila. My last name 2120.
My name is Indah Aisyah Fitri. My last name is 274.
My name Janice Aylandari. My name 272.
Here we from the group of 7 will review a short story to fulfill the text for the English UTS.
Guys, how are you today?
I'm fine.
I'm happy
Why are you happy?
because I finished reading the story.
Really? I also finished reading the story.
Yeah,
What story did you read?
I read the story about what if the goddess of love was your mother.
Wow. What's the story like?
You haven't read yet, have you? That's really fun story.
What time? What's the story about?
The story is about a good whose heart of humans.
good. How could it be?
You can so this is the gist of the story. About story is that Cupid was originally ordered by his mother to kill Perseus, but Cupid fell in love with Perseus instead. But her mother did not approve until one day Perseus offered to become a chef, and her mother immediately accepted. In the end, Cupid's mother realized Cupid and Perseus married with Jupiter's permission and made Perseus immortal.
How can Cupid, who is a good, fall in love with a sight who is woman?
Because Cupid saw Perseus' beauty whose face was in the moonlight.
Wow, that means sight is very beautiful. Yes, it can be a good like it.
Of course,
Then how can Cupid's mother approve of Cupid's relationship with Perseus?
Cupid's mother approves of the relationship because Cupid's mother know that they love each other.
I think the story is get liking, right?
I think so too, but the story is quite interesting to read in my spare time.
Oh, the story is boring, isn't it? What the story like?
So, there was a shepherd boy who bullied the resident 3 times by singing wolf cast by sheep. Twice the resident tried to help him but he lied. For the 3rd time, the resident didn't believe it and the shepherd sheep went missing being cast by sheep. He regretted it and realized his mistake.
Is there any difficulty understanding the story?
Nothing. The story is really easy to understand.
Your story is very interesting.
Have you read the short story?
Yes, I read.
What title did you read?
I read the story of an hour.
How was the story?
The story is about household problems.
Why did that happen?
So the story goes like this. There was a man named Brandy Marat who died in a train accident. His wife was sad when she heard the news, but over time his wife was happy and felt free because it turned out that his wife, Mrs. Marat, had not loved her husband all this time.
Why does not Mrs. Malat love her husband?
Because her husband is to restrain Mrs. Malat.
Then how in the end of the story?
One day, Mrs. Malat was called by her sister to come out of the room because Mrs. Malat had locked her up for days. She came out of the room and saw her husband who had died. Finally, his heart disease recurred and was examined by a doctor. After being examined, the doctor said that Mrs. Malat had died.
Wow, I'm so sorry for Mr. Malat. Then how do you feel after reading this story?
I'm feeling when I read the story I was shocked because it turned out that Mrs. Smollett did not love her husband and felt free when her husband died.
Wow, the story is really interesting.
How about your story? Is it interesting too?
Yes, the story I really interesting.
What's interesting about the story?
What's interesting about this story is there was a man named Liefeld originally built a machine for the time travel, but he had to be punished in the pendulum for several years until because of the fault of the tool he created.
Wow, what a machine for time travel. What is that like?
So Liefeld want to help humanity by bridging the time gap and traveling to the future by designing a hack machine and infinity 30 of the world's most talented scientists to complete.
So, what caused Leslie to be to jail?
At the time, Liefeld was experiencing with the device in the laboratory together with scientists. When 30 scientists pulled the main switch and the device exploded, the scientists and everything to us. Then everyone in the laboratory area saw that Liefeld was a murderer and he was brought to court and in the middle of the city and punished in a pendulum. In the end, Liefeld was in a pendulum that was never stopped.
So, what happened to Liefeld in the end?
Then came the robot who took care of him, and the robot helped work tirelessly from dawn to sunset, until in the end there were city rocket ship that crossed the sky above the pillar, far and missed healthy, causing women on earth to be afraid and looking for protection. And in the end, a humans on earth dead, and the city became the dead city. And the end, Liefeld now that he would be the only human living on earth because he was protected by a pendulum.
Wow, that's a very interesting story. Next time, we'll tell any story.
Okay, see you guys.
Okay, see you
guys.
Thank you for watching our video about review short story.
And see you next time.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.